What PPC strategies work best for authors selling books on Amazon? The best strategies right now, actually, we are managing right now a KDP account, focusing on their bestseller products instead of focusing on all the catalog, especially if you're an author with different books. Focus on what already showed performance and focus only on that. This is the same advice that I would give you if you have a catalog with different SKUs. You would focus on the products that are really moving the needle. Second, and this is not only for KDP, but in general, discover strategies. By discover, I mean auto campaigns, broad modified, and category campaigns, even audiences work better than what I'm seeing in exact match or product targeting. So that is something that you could try out as well. I just provided this week for the brands that we manage quarterly on which should be our goals. And looking back to 2025, what I noticed is that the brands that we personally as manager, like managing their ads, and also they struggle the most is when there was this, they're like, doing so many things that Amazon is throwing at us and we are fighting against that. And I'm like, there was no, I'm thinking 5 steps forward, which are the possible problems that my listing could face that I can avoid, or even getting out of stock issues. We are planning for it, and now we are just going to apply one strategy per month. If we're doing more than one strategy per month, we cannot be accountable for 10 strategies. The brand itself means they are looking into too many places and things are not going to convert. Think of it like, if it comes down to you, would you rather have one thing done the proper way? And I'm going to also share with you what I have the sticker on my monitor here. It says, solve one problem at a time. There's a meaning behind I am putting this sticker on my monitor, because I used to be the one who was solving 10,000 problems at the same time. So that's why I'm saying that if you are selling books, solve the one problem, figure out what is the problem that has the biggest impact and lever on your business, solve it, and then go to the next one.